As the first step, we can divide numerator and denominator values from x squared term. After that, we can get the result in the numerator 1 over x squared plus 1, in the denominator x squared plus 1 over x squared. To cancel out numerator value, we can give a substitution. We can substitute u as 1 over x squared minus x. Then differentiation with respect to x, du over dx, differentiation of the 1 over x we can write as minus 1 over x squared, differentiation of the x value we can write as 1. Then we can cross multiply denominator value dx and we can get minus 1 as a common factor in the minus 1 over x squared and minus 1. Then we can subject dx as du over minus within bracket 1 over x squared plus 1. Since u equal 1 over x minus x, we can square both sides and we can write u squared equal 1 over x minus x perfect squared. 1 over x minus x perfect squared just like a minus b perfect squared. We know a minus b perfect squared we can write as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In here we can write 1 over x perfect squared minus 2 times 1 over x into x plus x squared. In here 1 over x just like a, x just like b. After that we can cancel out denominator x value and numerator x value, and we can consider 1 over x perfect squared as 1 over x squared. So we can write u squared equal to 1 over x squared minus 2 plus x squared. Then we can subject 1 over x squared plus x squared as u squared plus 2. Let's move to integration part. Instead of x squared plus 1 over x squared value, we can substitute u squared plus 2. Instead of dx value, we can substitute du over minus within bracket 1 over x squared plus 1. After that, we can cancel out numerator value 1 over x squared plus 1 for denominator value 1 over x squared plus 1. Then we can get the result integral 1 over u squared plus 2 du over minus 1. Denominator value minus 1 is a constant, so we can bring 1 over minus 1 outside of the integral. Then we can write minus 1 integral 1 over 2 plus u squared du. We know integral 1 over d squared plus ax plus b perfect squared is equal to tan inverse ax plus b over d divided by a into d. To simplify integral 1 over root 2 perfect squared plus u squared value, we can use this equation. In here d equal to root 2, a equal to 1, b equal to 0. So we can write as the answer tan inverse 1 into u plus 0 divided by root 2 whole thing divided by 1 into root 2. After that we can get the result minus 1 tan inverse u over root 2 divided by root 2. Instead of u value we can substitute 1 over x minus x. Then we can divide this 1 over x minus x value from denominator value root 2. Then we can get the final answer minus tan inverse within bracket 1 over root 2x minus x over root 2 whole thing divided by root 2.